Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is a Jaguar XF 2017, and what we've done on this vehicle is we fully retrofitted in factory style Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So as you can see, we have not changed the head unit, it's all original. As you can see there, the system works full touchscreen as well, so you get the additional functionality of touchscreen. So what you do is to switch to the CarPlay system is to press on hold your home button, and it switches over. So initially you'll be greeted with this page, and it will allow you to choose between Android or CarPlay, which is for iPhone. And yeah, it's full touchscreen. You can navigate the system, do what you want. You want to launch your maps, you got all the supported apps come on here. So yeah, obviously the speed is slow because the iPhone is very old iPhone. It's fully wireless, so no wires, it's all connected wirelessly. As you can see, you got the maps there running on there. So yeah, it's all added onto the factory system. All your original system stays intact, so you can switch back to your original system whenever you want as well. Yeah, so if you want this system installed on your Jaguar, give us a call on 0208 554 5554, or even come visit us at Car Sound Security in Ilford, Gansel, IG2 6QA. So guys, make sure to like and subscribe to our videos for more videos and more cars with different systems on, to see if this system will work on your car. Thank you.